Now page number 135. What is the topic? What is heavier? Our topic is what is heavier. So here I have written the question. Let's see. What is heavier of page number 135. Make pairs of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First, guess which thing will take the pen down and then check with your balance. Right? What you have to do? Make the pair. Pair means in the pair two things should be there. Pair यानी हमेशा दो होता है. A pair of socks means दो socks. A pair of shoes means two shoes are there. So make the pair. Pair in sense of pair means two things we have to take. After that, first of all, we have to do the guessing. Suppose first I have taken plate and bowl. So plate and bowl is I have taken. So first of all, I have to guess which one is heavier. So suppose I said the plate is heavier. So after that, what you have to do? You have to weigh this plate and this bowl, and from that you come to know which one is the really heavier, and that thing you have to write here. So these all things are there. No need to weigh. Only we can say, by seeing only we can say that this thing is heavier. So first of all, plate and bowl. So after out of this, what one is heavier? So the plate is heavier. So here I have written plate is heavier than the bowl. Then spoon and cup. So from here only you can say that spoon is heavier than the cup is heavier than the spoon. Then toothbrush and toothpaste tube. Okay. So toothbrush is heavier, toothpaste tube is heavier. So toothpaste tube is heavier than the toothbrush. In this way you have to write tack and hammer. So tack and hammer, we can say that hammer is heavier than the tack. So let's write it. So here I have written for everything. So cup is heavier than the spoon. Toothpaste is heavier than the toothbrush. Hammer is heavier than the tack. Okay. Now downside another topic is given. What is heaviest? On the same page number, what is written? Make groups of three things. Previous we have make the group of two things. Now three things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in the order of the weight. The lightest one with in between the weight and the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. Okay. Now we have to fill up the things in this table with examples. What we have to do? We have to find out which is the lightest, which thing is there, which is the between and the heaviest. Okay. So here paper, eraser and ball. So paper is the lightest, eraser is in between weight and ball is in between, is the heaviest one among these three. Now let's take another example. So I can take from here maths only we can take scale, geometry box and book, right? So another grape, orange, watermelon. Grape is lighter, orange is in between weight and heaviest is the watermelon. Then matchstick, mobile phone and laptop. So matchstick is the lightest, in between mobile phone will come and heaviest is the laptop. Then handkerchief, shirt and bed sheet. So handkerchief is the lightest, shirt is in the middle weight and bed sheet is the highest weight. So let's fill up this one. So here I have written paper, eraser, ball, scale, geometry box, book, grape, orange, watermelon, match box, mobile phone, laptop, handkerchief, shirt and bed sheet. Only one E is here. Last downside, one question is given. Can you find your own weight using this balance? ये जो छोटा सा जो बैलेंस है उसको यूज़ करके, the balance we are using to measure these things. So can you weigh your own weight? So no, it is not possible because this is the balance for the small things. For measuring us, we want the big balance, right? As we have seen in our previous video, we want for measuring the big thing or heavy thing, we want the big size balance. So we also want the big size balance. So what will we write? No, we cannot measure, or I cannot find my own weight by using this balance. So here I have written. Now children, 138 page number of your textbook, take out 138 page number, right? What is written here? Grams and kilograms. As you know that when the thing is smaller, we use the unit to measure or to weigh is the gram. And if the thing is more, then we are using kilogram as a unit. Now one thing is given, name 5 things that we usually buy. कौन सी 5 चीज़ है जो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं या फिर हम लोग खरीदते हैं. So in grams you have to write, and in kilograms you also have to write. So first of all, which thing we are using? Almond, right? That is in the grams. Then rice in the kilograms. Grapes, I am talking about the dry grapes, that is in the gram. Coffee also in the gram, coffee packet. Toothpaste is in the gram, and chili also in the gram. Now the things that we are purchasing or we can buy in the kilogram, that is rice, onion, weight, sugar and potato. So this thing you have to write in your textbook. Now see here downside what is given. Which is heavier? And uncle is asking which is heavier. You can see here in his hand, one side the weight is there and another side cotton wool is there. Which is the heavier? 1 kg cotton or 1 kg iron? इस हाथ में iron है और इस हाथ में cotton है. Though their weight is same, this is also of the 1 kg and this is also of the 1 kg. दोनों का भी माप 1 kg होने के बाद में भी which is heavier? The iron is heavier, right? Because the cotton is in the light weight. बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसका weight light होता है. So what is heavier? Iron is heavier. So what will you write here? Just iron, tick under the iron. After that, now here, ouch, what he said, sir, he is complaining to the sir. Sir, she threw a heavy watermelon at me. Right? Who threw? She threw. She said he threw a 1 kg pillow of cotton. ये क्या कहता है कि इसने मेरे पर 1 kg वाटरमेलन फेंका. तो शी सेड दैट इसने मेरे पर क्या फेंका था? 1 kg कॉटन का पिलो फेंका था. सो आई थ्री 1 kg वाटरमेलन. इसने 1 kg मेरे पर पिलो डाला, इसलिए मैंने उसको 1 kg वाटरमेलन फेंका. Yesterday you said, she said to the sir, yesterday you said that the weight of 1 kg cotton and the 1 kg melon is equal. इन दोनों का weight भले ही equal रहा, right? What is given? 1 kg cotton and 1 kg melon. But what is heaviest? The melon is the heaviest. सी व्हाट वी क्या हमने इसमें से सीखा? अगर दोनों का वेट सेम होता है, देन ऑल्सो हियर यू कैन से इन द केस ऑफ द आयरन, ये जो है पत्थर वो लोखंड का है और ये क्या है? कॉटन. दो देयर वेट इज़ 1 kg, बट व्हाट इज़ हैवीएस्ट? द आयरन इज़ हैवीएस्ट. दिस थिंग्स वी कम टू नो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. Dineshan went shopping. Page number 139 of your textbook. Take out. Right date. Dineshan went to a shop and bought some things. Dineshan एक shop में गया and he has bought some things there. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights are written. What the younger brother has seen, you can see here. This is the bill and the younger brother just put a scissor here and it makes separate the weight and the kg, mean the unit. So from this come to know, he don't know what is in the kg and what is in the gram. So what we have to do? We have to help him guess and write the weight of the each things he bought in gram and kilogram. So we have to help him to find out which thing will be in the gram and which will be in the kilogram. So rice 5, what will come? Kg. Sugar 1 kg. Mustard seeds यानी राई के दाने, that is 10. It should not be in the kg, वो तो ग्राम में ही होगा, right? Because we are using in very little quantity, that's why. Wheat, that is 3 kg. Dal 500 gram will come. Okay. Tea 250 gram and pepper also 25 gram. So here we help to Dinesan to so that he come to know which is in the kg and which is in the gram. So children, today up to here only. We will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you all.